You know why they'll never catch the elves who created this malware? Because they all ran somewhere. All right, I downloaded the files and extracted them. Let's see what we got. First, I'll show you the IP address of the C2 server. I can grab that easily from the PCAP file, and I can even do it in pure PowerShell, like so. If you've been living under a rock for the last decade or so, or you're a noob or a Democrat, then you probably won't know what a C2 server is. It's called C2 because the words command and control start with a C. So there's two C's there, C, 2C, C2, C the two C's. I can get the rest of the information I need from the dump file. Now, if I wanted to decrypt the PCAP file's TLS session, I could do that with the secret values there. But I don't need that to get this easy objective done. There are plenty of hints that point to a database being vulnerable. And the biggest vulnerability of databases is injection. See the single quote? When the variable that contains this input is not sanitized, it means that I can inject my own commands into the command that was originally meant to be executed. I've opened a chat with my favorite nephew, Claude. To keep his mind sharp, I ask him what type of database this is, based on the error returned by the server. ArangoDB. Never heard of it. It's probably some China copy. You know they copy everything. We really should tax them for that. Anyways, since it's a cheap Chinese copy, it'll be real easy to break into it. Yeah, first try. See how the sleep command was injected and the server took longer to respond? We can exploit that. All I need to do is write a conditional query. For instance, we can ask it to sleep if the database contains a table name that starts with the letter C. In ArangoDB, tables are called collections, but the principle is the same. I wrote this small tool in PowerShell that maps out the information in an ArangoDB database using blind injection. I know from the error that there is a collection called config. Time to test the tool. The tool found the collection config, so the injection is working as expected. Now, all I need to do is have the tool find the field name, and then find the deactivate key value in that field. I could have guessed that field name. Anyway, let's get the value from that field now. That's all we need. Time to deactivate.